Welcome to the vibrant city of Berlin, a place where history, culture, and creativity converge. Today, we'll embark on an exploration of this dynamic metropolis, uncovering its iconic landmarks and hidden gems. Our journey commences at the historic Brandenburg Gate, an enduring symbol of unity and peace. Stand beneath its majestic columns and reflect on the city's turbulent past, from division to reunification. Berlin's vibrant art scene is on full display at the East Side Gallery, where a section of the Berlin Wall has been transformed into an open-air art gallery. Admire the striking murals that tell stories of hope and change. No visit to Berlin is complete without a trip to Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here you can immerse yourself in centuries of human history and art. The Berlin Cathedral, or Berliner Dom, is a magnificent example of Neo-Renaissance architecture. Climb to the dome's viewing platform for breathtaking panoramic views of the cityscape. A short stroll away lies Alexanderplatz, a bustling square surrounded by modern skyscrapers and historic landmarks. The Charlottenburg Palace is a testament to Berlin's royal history. Explore its opulent rooms and stroll through the beautifully landscaped gardens. To experience Berlin's green side, head to Tiergarten Park, a sprawling oasis in the heart of the city. Rent a bike, take a leisurely walk, or have a picnic by the serene lakes. In conclusion, Berlin is a city that seamlessly blends its complex history with a modern, forward-thinking spirit. Its iconic landmarks, rich cultural scene, and vibrant neighborhoods make it a destination like no other. So, when you're planning your next European adventure, make sure to include Berlin on your list. Until next time, happy travels!